friendly and, I would say, overall reliable.
Thank you, Mr. Cropper. Thank you. Your witness, Mr. Poyser.
Mr. Cropper, could you please explain to the court how you recently ended up in prison?
Well, I was arrested by the police.
What was the reason for the arrest?
Well, the police were under the mistaken impression that I had murdered Lauren, the defendant.
And yet, she wasn't dead.
Clearly not. Although it was a blessed relief to find that she was, in the end, safe and well.
Whilst you were suffering the torment of incarceration.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah.
How did you cope with prison, Mr. Cropper?
It was deeply unpleasant.
And how long did you remain in prison due to the actions of the defendant?
Your Honor, my learned friend knows full well that it is not the fault of the defendant that Mr. Cropper was held in remand. Sit down, Miss Wadsworth. I will not tell you again. Please carry on, Mr. Poyser.
If the defendant had simply told the authorities she was alive, you would have been released straight away. Is that not true, Mr. Cropper?
It is my understanding that she did attempt to alert them by the telephone.
1 call, 2 calls, emails, letters, a fax, perhaps. Did she turn up in person?
Well, no, I don't believe she did. But I do understand that she attempted to contact me directly.
She attempted?
Well, Lauren said the call rang out.
And she didn't call back?
I don't think so.
So in some ways, your continued incarceration was a direct consequence of the inaction of the defendant. Would you agree?
Yeah, I can't dispute the logic of that statement, no.
And how would you characterize such behavior?
I'm not sure.
I might be able to help you. It arguably points to someone who is willing to conceal the truth for a lengthy period of time.
Well, I suppose technically that would be correct, yes.
Cropper, you've been very helpful. No further questions.
You may leave the witness box now, Mr. Cropper.
No, I'm sorry. I feel I may inadvertently have misled the court.
How so?
Look, Lauren is not a violent person.
And yet, she admits killing Joel Deering by hitting him over the head with a rock. An undeniably violent act.
And the plea is self-defense. Defense of others. Preventing the murder of her friend, as my learned friend well knows.
Irrespective of what may or may not have happened, Lauren is a decent person. She's a good soul who has been unfairly treated by life and yet remains kind and caring and thoughtful.
No, she isn't. If she's so kind and caring, how come she attacked me last night?
She's lying. I never touched her.
Lauren.
There were witnesses. One of the guards saw her threatening me.
Can we please remove this person from the court?
I've got her name.
When did I even have the chance to do that,
She's dangerous. I'm telling you. I was scared for my kid and all. You need to send her down before she hurts someone else. Her name was Kathy. Kathy Trafford.
Members of the jury, you are to disregard everything we have just heard. It does not constitute evidence.
Get off us. You can't do this. Freedom of speech. He's a lawyer. He'll sue you. I'll get damages. Human rights. Get off us.
Oh, yeah. What's going on?
Girl kicking up in the gallery saying Lauren attacked her last night. Judges adjourned for half an hour.
Right. Okay, I'll be as quick as I can, yeah?
Why? You're up next.
I know, you have to rejiggle the order or something.
Why? What are you doing?
Not sure yet.
Oh, come on, Dee Dee.
Miss Wadsworth, we've just had a call from the prison.